Alrighty guys, little afternoon surf session back at the beach. Just using a Carolina rig, going back to basics with a little Gulp sandworm at the bottom, size 4 baitholder hook. Gonna be casting nice and shallow, nice and short. Just kind of going for numbers, seeing what's in the water. It's almost high tide. I'll be fishing for a couple hours, so it should be fun. See what happens. Alright. Didn't even notice we had a fish on. Apparently we do. Yellowfin croaker. Good ones. Good sized tail. What the heck? There we go. First fish of the day, a nice yellowfin croaker. Look at that. Decent yellowfin croaker right off the bat. I'll take that. It's pretty cool. I go from over a year of not catching those guys from the surf, and then all of a sudden, here they are. I don't know if they're just all of a sudden migrating in nice and shallow or what, but it's pretty cool. Go. Woo! Another yellowfin. Oh yeah. Yellow. Another one. That's 3. All right. So my only question is, do they directly compete with surf perch, or are surf perch here as well? Or do they chase each other off? There's another one. Oh no, here they are. Speaking of which, there's my surf perch I was talking about. I haven't seen you in a while, buddy. 9 inches, give or take. Alright, so to answer my question, yes, they are here with the croakers. Nice. Little female. Go. Surf perch. A little smaller guy from the first one. Pretty male. came off. That was definitely a croaker. Either that or a really big perch. Dang it, man.
Sorry.
No worries, no worries. Surf perch and this fish right here.
No way. What is it?
It's a yellowfin croaker. There we go. In with the wave. Little yellowfin croaker. He's croaking. Oh, here we go. Fighting like the yellowfin croaker. Oh, it's a perch. Little guy. Come on now. Little male. Hello. There he is. Four yellowfin, 3 perch. Another guy. You silly fool. That's what I think are fun about perch. That guy caught it right at the bottom of that little wash. What the? How on earth? You are tiny. How on earth did you eat this, my friend? Ayo! That little dude was hungry. Bait was basically as big as he was. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Perch. Come here, boy. That is 2 hours after. Oh, man. This guy has a little wound right there. Still got one on. Alright. And the surf perch take the lead. With a small male. Oh, some of you, get out of here. guys, well, that'll be just about it for me today. It is about 6 o'clock. But yeah, guys, appreciate everybody watching. If you want to see any of the gear, you can check that in the description down below. Any music that I'm using right now, you can probably hear is going to be in the description as well. So that'll be about it for me. Catch you in the next one. Peace.